Hello, dear friends, all lovers of freedom all over the world. I greet you according to your time zone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of Biafra land. Long live United States of Biafra. Long live the good people of Biafra. My people, in this video, you will learn a lot. So do not be in a hurry. Tighten your seatbelts and watch this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you and God bless you. Let's go.
Wetin Igbo people don't do now where una dey so much against the Igbos of the Southeast. Any small thing, their Southeast behavior. What is the Southeasterners' behavior? An Igbo man from across the Niger. What is the behavior that you hate so much? What have they done to you? If it's any small thing, you say, Anioma people, you people can go and join them in the Southeast. Oga, what is their behavior? What did they do? What is that their behavior that you hate so much? And that has made you look for any simple effort to spoil the Southeastern Nigerian Igbo man name? Wetin they don't do? Can you list one thing where them they do, where other tribes know they do worse than them? Any small thing. Anioma, with our attitude not be the same. Our attitude not be the same with Southeast Igbo. Their attitude is better than our own. Their attitude is better than our own 100%. Southeast Igbo's attitude, they're better than our Anioma people attitude. You don't figure any Southeast house, eh? But you see say only one person reach. Then they carry their border along. Then they give updates. But only buying, oh, I shame, I weep for now. Anioma people, both the ones with their political position. How many people they don't help? You will go office, see your Anioma brother, he's Igbo or so Igbo. And you have the guts to come out to challenge, to say something bad about our brothers from across the Niger? You don't see one person, only one rich man for a family. Go there. You don't go sit down for where you sit down. Come begin use your mouth. They say, we never be Igbo. Igbo do this, Igbo do that. All because you are against the actualization of Anioma state. I am speaking from experience. I have tasted the two pot of soups. I was born in Benin City. Now there they born me. For Jemila, for Ubai, near Oregbeni. I love Benin. I love Benin wella. I be Baferian to the core. I love Benin wella. I'm not against the Benin. Oba talk me, hey, he say. I love the Benin wella because I know they bomb me. I drink Temboga water. Oba River water, I drink her. It ain't me. Well, what am I saying? As an Anioma man growing in Benin, I did not feel like I'm among. The disparity is too much. I know the year waiting that they speak for Benin. I was born in Benin. I left Benin when Bender State was defunct. I left Benin in 1992. And I don't learn one Benin. I don't speak Benin. Do you understand? I came to Asaba, spent 6 years. After 6 years, I went to the university. Enugu State University of Science and Technology. ESUT, go ask of me. My generation know me. I schooled in ESUT. I first of all do 1 year pre-science for Suka. So if I dey talk now, I know you they do yeah. I do 1 year pre-science for Suka. I stayed with Suka people. And they are not as awful. They are not wicked. Why they not oof me when I did there? I stay in Suka 1 year. I go in Enugu. I spent 5 years plus project here 6 years. And I enjoyed every bit of. I did not feel Igbo people don't get your time. Igbo people know they gossip. They don't get your time. Every man they face in business. Igbo know they beg. They are hardworking. Igbos know they beg. They are hardworking. They don't wait for anybody. That's why they say Igbo Wednesday. Igbo man know they sit down, they say, my brother can't help me. Brother no agree help me. Now lie. Then they also their own and they don't get time for anybody. If to say Anioma people self over the years, they know you political simkin swaggers and political gogo medusas. If to say una get the kind mind where Igbos get, our place for don't develop. Una no dey help each other. You are worse than Igbos. So anybody wey carry say Anioma this, you should go and learn from Igbos how to love. The first time I met Ndoko, I told him I don't like politicians, first of all, because the politicians you have in Anioma land are very one kind, save for some very few where they do well. We don't know how to carry ourselves along. So anything where they talk about Igbo, we want go southeast. Oga, Enuani, it's not, it was not even in the, how to put it, I don't confuse. Southwest, southwest, southeast, south central, middle west, all those are political, they are political pronouncements, political. In those days, we lived together before Nigeria was created. Ekumeku war in mind.
Okay, all over social media, you continue to see all these people talking about Anioma. Anioma is Igbo. Anioma is not Igbo. Anioma is Igbo. Anioma is not Igbo. Anioma will join the Southeast. Anioma will not join the Southeast. And I say, enough is enough. What's all this nonsense? Everybody knows his ancestors. If you don't know that you're ancestor, you're a fool. And a big fool. I'm talking about Anioma. Let's say before the Nigerian Civil War. Before the Nigerian Civil War. Igbos in the Southeast know that Igbos in Anioma are one. They know that Anioma is Igbo land. They know that people in Anioma are Igbos. They know that. Okay, to illustrate my point, 1966 coup was generally regarded and accepted as Igbo coup. Who led that coup? Chukwuma Nzogu. From where? From Anioma. Till date, no Igbo man from the Southeast have come out to say that this is Anioma coup or this is from people that are not Igbos. No Igbo man in history till date have ever stood. We have always welcomed it. When they say Igbo coup, what we're trying to say is that it's not an Igbo coup, meaning that that coup was as a result of bad governance. And that coup was to usher in Awolowo as the Prime Minister of Nigeria. That coup of 1966 was not to help Igbos or to put Igbos in position. No, it was even to help the Yorubas to put Awolowo in position of authority. That was the reason for the coup. So when they say Igbo coup, it's an Igbo coup, it was an Igbo coup. Igbos never try to, demarcate themselves from Anioma people who led the coup. No, but we have shouldered it since the Civil War days till this present day. Because of that, Igbos are marginalized. Because of that, Igbos of the Southeast I'm talking about, too. It does not even affect Anioma, Igbos in the South. This coup of 1966 is not affecting them. It is we Igbos in the Southeast that are bearing the brunt of it all. They marginalize us in terms of appointment, in terms of revenue allocation sharing, in everything, local government, state creation, in everything, we are being marginalized because of what our brothers in the Anioma committed. And we never exempted ourselves from them. We never separated ourselves from them. We always take them as our own flesh and blood. But these are the people that we continue to point accusing figures at Igbos in the Southeast. We don't belong, we are belong, we don't belong, we are belong. What is all this nonsense? Who cares?